winter has now tightened its grip on the national capital region. Delhi NCR recorded its first cold wave of the season, with the temperatures plunging sharply and dense fog disrupting daily life. In fact, it is not just Delhi. The whole of northern India is right now under the grip of cold weather. Visuals right from Kashmir to Rajasthan on your screen. Now on Saturday, the region witnessed its coldest December day so far, as the maximum temperature dropped to 16.9 degrees Celsius, a full 5.3 degrees below the normal level. And for the first time this winter, Delhi NCR officially met the cold wave day criteria. This as two of city's 5 monitoring stations, Safdarjung and Palam, recorded cold wave conditions. Safdarjung logged a maximum of 16.9 degrees, while Palam dipped further to 16.3 degrees, nearly 5.6 degrees below the normal level. Now viewers, comparatively, December's lowest maximum temperature stood at 14.6 degrees in 2024, while it was 15.9 in 2023 and 15.6 in 2022. In fact, when we talk about the minimum temperature on Saturday, it settled at somewhere around 6.1 degrees Celsius, as below normal as well. And as a result, morning visibility took a severe hit, dropping to just 200 meters at Safdarjung and about 350 meters at Palam. Conditions improved slightly by afternoon, but shallow to moderate fog continued to linger across the city for most part of the day. Now, the IMD has warned of dense to very dense fog today as well, and an orange alert is also in place. Temperature-wise, it is expected to hover around 23 degrees maximum and 9 degrees minimum. And given the cold wave conditions we are now witnessing, Delhi Airport has also issued a passenger advisory to ensure access and provide real-time winter-ready travel updates. As you can see, completely northern India coming in the grip of cold weather. Right from Delhi to Rajasthan, we are witnessing a harsh winter season at this point. Now, the airport's authority has also issued an advisory as a dense fog disrupts flight operations across the parts of northern India. AAI has now warned of possible delays and schedule changes as well due to poor visibility at certain airports. So therefore, we advise passengers as well to check their flight updates if they have a flight to board today before leaving their home.
ओवरऑल बात करें, इस समय एक एक्टिव वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंस है जो नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया को आने वाले 3 से 4 दिन प्रभाव करेगा। उसके प्रभाव से हमारा अनुमान है कि पूरा हिमालयन रीजन में लाइट मॉडरेट रेनफॉल स्नोफॉल एक्टिविटी लगातार चलती रहेगी 3 दिनों तक। और उसके साथ ही कल के लिए 21 के लिए हमारा हैवी रेनफॉल हैवी स्नोफॉल का भी अनुमान है, जो कश्मीर वैली में हो सकती है। और उसके साथ प्लेन्स में भी, स्पेसिफिकली पंजाब के जो नॉर्थन पार्ट हैं, पठानकोट और जॉइनिंग एरिया, वहां भी हल्का फुल्का रेनफॉल आने वाले 3 दिनों में हो सकता है।